What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video, it's your boy America here. So, re-update. Turns out I was off by a mile from how much damage Hurricane Helene has done. Now, in the video that I made recently, not the trying American candy, but the all southern states stay safe, that one. I said $50 million in damages. Holy shit, was I wrong. I was off by a mile. The hurricane actually caused a total of 30.5 to 47.5 billion. I have very much underestimated. And you think that's bad. Hurricane Milton, the fucking special needs hurricane over here. So far, Hurricane Milton has made over it says Hurricane Milton could cost insurers up to 100 billion. Some have even said 175 billion, and that's of today. Up to 100 billion. Hurricane Milton is closing in on $1 trillion worth of damage of commercial properties. Another one says 40s. Another one says oh, where is it? I just found it then, I lost it. Hurricane Milton could cause as much as 175 billion. 175 billion again. 250 billion. No, that was 6 days ago by AccuWeather. That does sound very accurate to me. It's not going to tell me, okay. Milton could cause $245 billion in damages, making it the costliest hurricane in US history. What else is there? Milton insured losses could total 100 billion. We won't know for sure until it's ended. So, I, as America, can only pray for the best for everyone in that area, everyone in the path. Good luck, I wish you the best. Yeah. Yeah, that's a big storm. I think they said up to maybe 100 miles in width. I don't know. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll keep you updated. And stay patriotic. Peace out.